Listen, you've got to be at ICC to see this happen in real time. Think, if we pull it off, you might leave a bit forever changed.
The technology that y'all are working on at Flow really is the shortest path to meaningful adoption of AI.
And Ryan and the team are going to literally knock you out of your seats when you see what we can do inside of a single pane of glass in this ecosystem.
My name is Ryan Crownover. I'm the Director of Digital Plant at Vertec. Vertec is a systems integrator.
It's Jeff Nepper. I'm the president here at Flow Software. And today, Ryan and I want to talk about ICC 2025 with a special caveat of ProveIt being baked into it this year. What are some of the roadblocks or stumbling blocks that you're seeing manufacturers realize that they have when it comes to taking raw data and actually turning it into actionable information for the plant?
The biggest issue we see is that all of the source data is coming from different places. Organizations are realizing that they need a strategy to manage how do you blend all of that together. And without solving that problem, where we're stuck right now is you have to make a new data integration to a source system every time you want to add new functionality or new data into your centralized data access, if you even have that. That gets really expensive, not just from the cost of doing the new integration in terms of maintenance and keeping that going in perpetuity. It's exponential.
Right. Mismatches of versions, broken integrations, somebody tries to extend a project that they actually didn't create and breaks it. We need this unification layer where we connect all of our raw data in a standardized way to give it structure and context. Without this, you can't adopt AI.
Yeah, it's really true. If you want any hope of utilizing AI or making the applications you're building in this space more sustainable, you've got to have something that solves for that problem.
And that's exactly the problem that we're, as Flow Software, with Vertec's help, are going to solve at ProveIt.
The technology that y'all are working on at Flow really is the shortest path to meaningful adoption of AI within the organization.
Listen, you've got to be at ICC to see this happen in real time. We are going to announce new time-based components. We're going to announce new time-based modules built for Ignition and Perspective. We're going to show an analytic platform built on top of the UNS and on top of Ignition, where we're going to plug AI in and just go crazy solving problems. And Ryan and the team are going to literally knock you out of your seats when you see what we can do inside of a single pane of glass in this ecosystem. And I think if we pull it off, you might leave a bit forever changed. And I'm not over promising that. I'm not overselling that. The way you work with data could change forever, and you might realize it for the first time at ICC.